Hey guys, I wanted to show you how I transfer my designs from my laptop wirelessly to my brother's NQ1700, and then how I color sort two designs on my machine interface. As far as I know, the newer machines have this feature, not the older machines. So you can check in your manual, and you can also check on the icons on your screen of your machine to see if you have this function. So I use what's called the Design Database Transfer. It's like sort of like an app on my computer that is from Brother. It is in the manual of the 1700. It also works with my Luminaire. It works with all of the Brother machines that have Wi-Fi capability, which are a lot of the newer ones. So if your machine has Wi-Fi, this is awesome. So you just install the program on your PC. It's very easy, very basic, and you set up the wireless connection on your machine, which is also very easy to do. That's how you check for updates, and you can use your manual to set up your Wi-Fi. So once your machine is connected to the same network as your laptop, your machine will be found in the software. So I have two machines, and they each have their own name. This little guy we call Pop Shop, and then my Luminaire is called Margot. So it'll let you choose which machine you want to send designs to. You can send designs to both. You can do it at the same time. You kind of just load the machines or the files into the screen, and you hit send. It has a little Wi-Fi icon, and you send it over to the machines. And literally while you're sitting here, it will show up on the screen. So this is our pocket. So you can see this is internal designs, USB, Wi-Fi, and then from the cloud. So usually if you're on a USB, you choose this one, but we're going to choose the Wi-Fi. And you can see this is the design that I sent over to this machine, which is the football jersey in the 2 or 3x3 size. It's the smallest. And I want to make two of those. So if you're not making two, you just select your file as normal, and you go ahead and keep it moving, and your design is there. When you shut the machine off, the designs on this particular machine erase. They are not saved. You'll have to resend them to your machine. The Luminaire keeps them, and so even when I shut that machine off, the designs stay on the machine until I delete them, which is nice. But I also do like that I can just shut this off and they're gone, and I don't have to worry about a USB. So with that part said, I want to duplicate this design, and I want to color sort it because I don't want to run each step individually, right? Okay, so I'm gonna choose my design and hit set. So there's my design, and I'm gonna rotate the design 90 degrees and hit OK. Now I'm going to move my design. You can use the move function and move it with the arrows if you want to be precise, or you can just take your finger and move it. So the hoop size that the machine defaulted to is 6x10, which is fine. You can also choose, this machine will do 5x7, 4x4, and whatever the tiny one is that I don't have. So there is our jersey. Now we want to add another jersey. So we're gonna hit add. We're gonna go back to our pocket, back to the wireless, and select the jersey again and hit set. So there's our second jersey. We're gonna rotate this 90 degrees, hit OK. And again, you can hit move. I guess it will let you resize. I don't know if that would, mess it up, to be honest with you. So I moved the jersey below the other one. You can mirror the jersey, you can delete it, you can select either one by selecting. Pretty sure this is how you save it to your machine if you like. If you're trying to merge a design that doesn't have the exact same color order, these do, thankfully, you can select the design. So say we have this jersey selected. You select the thread here, and then you can reset the colors by step. So you would choose the color for step 1, you would advance a thread color there, change the color, advance, change the color, until all of the thread colors were the same. So these 2 items will not color sort unless all the color threads are the same and in the same order. So just know that this is good because we're using the exact same design. Okay, so we're going to hit edit end. Okay, now it has put both of these together. You can see them selected here. You can hit center. So now our design is center in the hoop, and you can see it change to where it fits the 6x10 or the 5x7. So it will let you know right there which hoop that it will fit in. You can hit this selection right here, which is the color sort option, and then you hit embroider or embroidery. So it does tell you that it has 14 stops because it still counts each thread color as its own stop, but you can see they're together. So here is both jersey 1 blue, jersey 2 blue, which is the same step, the red 1, 2, same step. So again, it'll say 14 color stops, but everything is merged. And because of the settings in your machine, because they're the same color, it will keep continually running. So when I put my design on the hoop on the machine, it will go ahead and run those 2 steps together. So I'm going to go ahead and load up my hoop and let you see how it does that. Okay, so we have our stabilizer loaded. I haven't run anything, so I'm going to go ahead and hit go. Again, this is going to be step 1. Okay, now it's going to advance to step 2, but because it's the same color, the machine did not stop. So that's where your color sort is successful. Okay, we're back at the machine, so you can see it went through steps 1 and 2, so we're on step 3. Which is 2 red, then you see the next 2 steps after that are 2 white. So successful color sorting. I hope this helped. And if you create projects this way, let me know.